number 2. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This week's recipe is a deliciously caffeinated coffee cake with a crunchy topping and a drizzle. Now while this recipe may not be the quickest or the easiest that we've done on my channel, the flavor absolutely makes up for it, and coffee haters and enthusiasts alike are sure to love it. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start off by making the crunchy layer. So in this glass bowl I just have some old-fashioned oats, and to that I'm going to add finely chopped almonds, maple syrup, coconut oil, salt, instant espresso, and cinnamon. And just mix it. Now we're going to combine our dry ingredients. So here I have whole wheat flour, salt, some more instant espresso, cinnamon and nutmeg, and baking soda. Now whisk. Moving on to our wet ingredients, we're going to whip up our eggs until they're really light and fluffy, and then we're going to slowly add all of our other ingredients. Applesauce, maple syrup, strong black coffee, and finally, coconut oil. Now we're going to keep mixing our wet ingredients on a really low speed while we slowly add our dry ingredients. Here I have a glass pan that I've lightly lined with some avocado oil, and now I'm just going to pour my cake batter into there. Now a quick fun fact is that coffee flavors are actually really accentuated by fresh and fruity flavors like blueberries. So I'm actually going to be adding some fresh blueberries on top of my coffee cake. Just spread them out a little. And then just add the crunch topping to get it ready to go in the oven. Now our coffee cake is ready to go into a 350-degree oven for about 55 minutes. All right, now we're gonna be moving on to our drizzle. So for this, all we're gonna need is almond milk, maple syrup, and some black coffee. Now we're gonna heat this up on medium heat and just keep stirring until the milk reaches about simmering but not to a boil. And that's gonna let all the sugars out and the moisture is gonna evaporate, causing it to thicken. So as you can see, if I drag the spatula down, you already start seeing the bottom of the pan. So if you really want a liquidy drizzle, you can already take this off because as it cools, it's gonna get thicker. But I prefer mine to be more like a frosting, so I'm gonna leave this cooking for a bit longer. Once you're happy with the thickness of your drizzle, just take the pan off the heat and let the drizzle cool down before you can glaze your cake. Alright, and here is our finished result. This very berry coffee cake has an extremely moist center and just a mild coffee flavor that isn't overpowering. And that crunchy layer along with that drizzle on top add a variety of textures that make this cake even better than it already is. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements and ingredients listed in the description box below so you can follow along with me at home. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe as well as ring that notification bell so you don't miss any one of my guilt-free and delicious dessert recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. Bye-bye guys!